Hi, this is Paul, M0PJA. I'm going to go through a quick demonstration of EasyPal today. I've not been using it very long, don't claim to be an expert, but would like to go through a few things that I've learnt in order to get it working with my ICOM 7100. Now the ICOM's connected to my PC via the USB cable. All the software drivers have been loaded for that. So you can download EasyPal, and not too difficult to find if you just Google EasyPal download. And I'll just go through my setup. Now I've got a number of things ticked here, which I was recommended to do, and everything seems to work fine. You need to set up your call sign in this call sign section, and the sound card. For mine, you can see I've got the USB audio codec selected, and that's the one that's generated when you plug the ICOM into your PC. Also, I've got the this selected for CAT. I found that this was the only way I could get the radio to get the PC to PTT the radio. And what I needed to do is I needed to there wasn't under user defined, there's a list of radios, but there wasn't an ICOM 7100, and as you can see there's only a few ICOM radios there, but I couldn't really get any of those to work for me. So my COM port is the COM port 4, which is specified in this box here, and those are the speeds that I've got it running at. Yours may be different. Here you can see there's two sound cards selected as well, and these were the strings that I had to add in order to turn the PTT on and off, and also to select and unselect data mode, which gives you the -D option on the ICOM 7100. Once you've got this set up, it works pretty well. I've been using the hybrid mode. I understand a few people frown upon that, but it really does make image transfer very quick. I've added my CWID here, so it transmits that. So what you need to do really is you just load a picture, and I thought maybe we'll collect this ham radio one here, and then you click transmit, obviously making sure your radio is tuned to the appropriate frequency, and the first thing it does is it encodes the file, and then you get this OK box, and at this point you're going to transmit it. Now this, as you can hear, transmits a data, not the full picture. In hybrid mode it transfers details via FTP, and we'll come on to those in a second, because you're going to need to set them up if you want to use hybrid mode. If you don't, you can transfer pictures backwards and forwards. It takes a lot more time, but it's still worthwhile to do. So in hybrid mode, if we go into user defined server, you can see the settings that I've got here. So for web address, I've got uploads.easypal.org. The username and password is EasyPal, and that's all you need to select. If you don't want to use hybrid mode, just go in there and deselect it. That's all there is to it really. As I say, quite an enjoyable program to use, and I've had some good fun using it. It's important to get your audio levels adjusted correctly, and you'll get a nice signal to noise report in dB, which people often ask you for. Well, that's all I need to talk about today. Told you it was going to be a quick introduction. Look forward to talking to you a bit more when I've learnt more of the program.